Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of vlogging. I just woke up, so sorry about my hair and my puppy shirt. My dog is cuter than yours. If you hear meowing in the background, that's just my cat. And if you guys know, we actually got a new puppy. Something happened on Sunday. My dog, passed. So we got a puppy that night. His name was Trouble. I think because he's getting in trouble a lot. But I renamed him Sky. Because I actually really like that name. Oh, if you see the scratch on my eye, that's from Sky. Sky's like my alarm clock and everything. I don't need an alarm clock with Sky in the house because he just wakes me up all the time. I don't even have an alarm on my phone anymore. My camera's dead. So I am actually using my phone. And I'm going to show you the puppy. These two are kind of upset about it. But come here, Sky. Come on. Sky. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah, this little puppy actually did this scratch. No. Right. He can actually hop on and off our bed, but he has trouble getting on there. Right now, my brother is actually playing Call of Duty Black Ops. Where are you going? Oh, I have to walk over my bed to get to my side of the bed. Okay, sorry about that. I actually got some treats for him. They're Gravy Train. They are steak. They are steak bone. They are steak bone beef flavored ones. And they look like little steaks. I prefer these for him. They smell like... Look! He's like, I want a treat. We're probably turning him outside because he was in a cage when we got him. And he's used to going in the house. So every time he goes potty, I give him one. He's just slipping off my lap. Yes, I'm giving you two attention. Oh, this is 12, Mom, he's 12 weeks old, 13 weeks old. I prefer these because he's 13 weeks old, and there are actually not many left in here. There's like 12. How many do you think came in this pack?
What are you talking about?
His treats, because it don't say. No, it don't.
Oh, is it ounces? Sorry about 15.
About 15 treats in this bag. Of course, I have two other dogs. I couldn't leave them out of treats. Those are his treats. So we just bought some Everpet big bone treats. And chicken, peanut butter, bacon. Oh, the orange ones are chicken, peanut butter. Bacon, vegetable, and beef flavored. So the orangish yellow one is chicken, peanut butter. And the green ones are bacon, vegetable. And the brown one is beef. So I think the dogs would like beef. I just give them anything that I pick out of the box.
Okay.
Of course, I have cats, so I have to feed the cats every morning. Oh, hi, baby. Going the wrong way. I actually have to go into the pantry to get all the food. If you hear something in the background, that's just my washer. Well, I gotta be careful to leave anything open or around because the puppy will grab it. I have just like this cotton candy cup that I use it with. If it's a little dark, I'm sorry. That's one of my cats. We use a two-way bowl for food. We don't put water because the dogs' water they just drink out of. So we just fill them both up because we have 4 cats and they are Maine Coons. If you've never heard of Maine Coons, they are cats that were, like, they use them on ships in Maine. So, like, they have an extra flap of skin. Here comes the daddy. They have an extra flap of skin on them. Like, whenever they walk, you can see the skin. Come here, baby. Sorry, guys. See, I've got the daddy right now. His name is Tick Tick, and he's an outside cat, so he doesn't get much food, so let me bring him inside real quick. Oh, I love you. Oh, and if you ever have Maine Coons as kittens, you can actually tell because they have a little M on their forehead. So, there we go. Sorry this video is so long, but the only reason I haven't been doing anything is because the whole death stuff about my dog. I just didn't think you guys wanted to go through that. Hold on, my puppy's barking. He barks at my cats because he's never seen cats before. Of course, hold on, guys. Today is Thursday, so on Saturday and Sunday, I will be doing a vlog with my friends, Kendall and Addison. Kendall's 8, Addison's 6. And they have a little baby sister, Paisley. She loves me. She's about 2-3. I don't exactly know, but I'm just checking the mirror real quick. See if anything came. No. If your dad is like mine, on Sundays, if he says, go check the mail, don't do it. Because on Sundays, no mail runs. Because it's like church holiday and everything, and everybody like goes to church and everything. But personally, I don't go to church, but I respect God so much. Like, I don't even know what to do. Oh yeah, forgot my cross. I don't sleep with my cross because it's a chain that can choke me. So I just need to grab my... This was my dog's collar. I just hung my cross right beside it so God will be with him all the time.
When it comes like this, it's going to tear it up.
The washer is like garbage, so...
All right, when you buy one, I don't want to hear it.
All right, I'm going. Just a minute. Trying to finish the one spot I'm in.
So I got this cross.
Buy one.
Hold on, let me go outside. I want you guys to see my hand. Oh, sorry, baby. He like tries to escape because he's outside. I actually got this cross. It's got hearts on it and like little flowers all around it. It's got a heart in the middle with a cross in it. You guys can see that. And then it's got like flowers all around that. And I just got this chain. I actually got this in a package in the mail. But the chain, if you guys don't know what wrestling is, it's WWE stuff. And this is the chain. My mom's got Randy Orton and his signatures on the back. I had Daniel Bryan with his signature on the back. If you guys watch wrestling, then you probably know some of them come with shirts on the back. If you guys don't know what wrestling is, it's WWE. Like, they fight, and like some of it's fake and some of it's real. They have contracts for a year. This one guy called Dolph Ziggler, he's my favorite. I actually think he's cute. Well, I used to think he was hot, but I don't anymore. I just think he's cute now. So he works every day of the year. He don't get enough money. He don't get enough anything. My hair looks so skinny. That's the neighbor. Yeah, my washer's going crazy. My mom's just sweeping.
Shut up, I'm talking Chinese.
Alright, so this is enough footage for this episode. Check out my vlog of my friends. It'll probably be posted on Monday. The Saturday one will be posted on Sunday. Sunday one will be posted on Monday because I actually pray at my house sometimes. So I think I'll be doing that. Praying for all my animals that passed. Everything else. For my family and everything else. So that's what I'll be doing. So leave a comment down below if you have any better names for my puppy. Actually, you can name him now because you can name him a week. So until next week, I can name him. So it's enough footage. So leave a comment down below what you want me to name him. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.